Hello, it's Dominic Fonte, and I just wanted to let you know that this month is National Safety Fire Prevention Month. And North Canton, in conjunction with your local chapter of the Red Cross, are providing a wonderful service to you. And we do have a top-notch safety service, which is fire, EMS, and police. And the fire department partnered with them to offer up a free smoke alarm. So if you don't have one, a lot of deaths are caused because of smoke inhalation because the batteries are missing and or no smoke alarm. So as we go into the fall and winter, you want to make sure you test your smoke alarm. You should have one on every level. And if you do want to participate and you live in the city of North Canton and you'd like to have an opportunity to get a free smoke alarm, the Red Cross, you can call the local chapter and get it, and the fire department will install it so you know it gets installed properly. And it's a wonderful service that we provide. And I just wanted to say on the ballot this year, make sure you get out there in November and vote for the levies that are out there to help our local safety services. I appreciate your time and effort. And if this service can help you or a loved one, let me know, 330-418-1535. Thanks.